Alright, so in today's video, I really want to make sure exactly how much profit I'm making on Etsy. So considering fees, product cost, and any other thing like taxes that might come up. Alright, let's get to it. So I've been selling on Etsy for over a year. And I'm in Canada, so my experience is going to be a bit different than other people. And I'll be referencing, well, all the prices will be in Canadian dollars. So when you come into the Etsy's website, you have basically three fees. They're flat out telling you you're going to have to be paying, which is the listing fee, transaction fee, and payment processing fee. So I pretty much planned ahead, and I just wanted to share with you guys exactly how much I'm paying selling a t-shirt on Etsy and how much profit I get left over. So as I mentioned, 27 cents Canadian is going to go for the listing fee. Now I have to pay two kinds of transaction fee. One's going to be 5% on the shipping cost, and then the other one's going to be 5% on the product cost. So what I'm asking people to pay. And then we have a processing fee. So I'm using Etsy's processing fee, and it's 3 to 4%. Plus 25 cents. Now, as an example, I'm going to be using the t-shirt, but I sell several other products, and some of the best ones I think I make more profit in are the posters, actually. So to begin with, I really priced my t-shirts between $28 and $32. That's the range I'm going for, and this is for a Bella and canvas t-shirt, so it's good quality. I have some. I really like that t-shirt. So, but as a base price, I'm gonna be using $28 as my sale price. I am getting these Bella Plus canvas t-shirts from Printful for $17.43. All right, so if we have a look here, I have my listing fee that's gonna be 27 cents. My transaction fee, which is for the product cost, not the cost, the product price, so what I'm pricing at, and the shipping price. So 5% of the $7 shipping price is 35 cents, and 5% of the $28 price of the t-shirt is $1.40. Now another thing I'm going to be looking at is the processing payment fee, which is 4% of $28 plus 25 cents. So I'll get the 4% of 28, add 25 cents, and that gave me $1.37. The Etsy fees are going to be costing me this much. So $3.39. All right, so calculating everything, I'm charging my customer $28. So I'm going to subtract $17.43, which is the cost of the t-shirt, minus $3.39, and that gets me $7.18 profit. So this is the minimum I'm making per t-shirt. Now, this number might look pretty good, I guess, but I have to be paying taxes. Now, depending on where your product is going, Printful will also charge you some taxes. So, you know, that number could go down quite significantly depending on where your product is going. And don't forget, you also probably have to pay some money to your government. All right, so I also found a website that's somewhat helpful to give you an idea how much you're paying in fees. So I'll put the link down below, and let's see if we get the same results on this website that I got. Right, so I found this website. It calculates fees so you can make sure how much profit you're making on any of these marketplaces. So let's have a look at Etsy. All right, so as I mentioned, this sold price, so we sold it for $28 Canadian, and shipping charge is $7. Shipping cost $7. Item cost, let's see, item cost $17.43. $17.43. Advertisement costs, we didn't do any. Now this is at 3% plus 25 cents. So $7.31. So close. I did save 4% just because on the website it does say 4%. And, I'll have a link down below with this finalfees.com. So I'm currently running 3 stores. One is doing pretty well. The other 2 not so hot. Funny thing is also the one that's doing pretty good is the pricier one. So it's the ones I'm using, Bella plus Canvas. So keep in mind, I'm always trying to look and test things out with pricing. But at the end of the day, you have to make sure you're not going to be losing any money, because then you will just give up and you won't continue. So moving forward, I have 3 stores. One is doing really good. The other 2 not so hot. So the idea is just testing things out. Debating if to offer free shipping if someone buys, like, say, 3 t-shirts, maybe 2 if the numbers work out. But that's something I'll be considering in the future with my store. But right now I'm doing kind of like a spring cleaning. I'm looking my inventory of designs, seeing which ones are my best sellers on merch, transferring them on Etsy, getting the ones that are already good sellers on Etsy, making sure I have other products. And I really just want to fix my pricing, because I have t-shirts all over the place. The pricing is all over the place. So there's t-shirts that I'm offering really low, like 28, and there's t-shirts that are offering a bit higher, and sometimes the quality of the design isn't that different. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's video. Have a lot of work ahead of me and organizing my stores and making sure I have all the designs up on all the necessary products that I want them to be on. All right, see you next time. Peace.